as well, and it'll drop as well. Keenan Evans saying, hey, enough with this Edmund Sumner show. One to work with as well. Oh, that's a beauty, under pressure.
Lambrechtas šiek tiek pasiklydo komandinėje gynyboje ir 3 taškai palaužė.
Prieš saugių tenais mėnetas ir pagaliau pirmosius taškus pavergsta šios dienos.
Echodas liko su Evansu. Susikeitimų gynyba taiko nuo pirmųjų minučių ir čia.
Keenan Evans one-on-one with Tyler Dawson. Pull-up three-pointer. Fouled in the act of shooting, and it provides the foundation for a 4-point play. Tested the shot, got a hand in the face of the shooter, but it was not enough to distract the
Evans, little isolation as the two Americans go at it.
So Keenan Evans to the free throw line and back out again. Panika staying with him. Keenan Evans, tough take to the rank quickness. To earn this trip to the free throw line. So Stefanovic defending Keenan Evans. Evans beats him with the dribble, anticipating contact.
Žalgirio atakos metu, tačiau apčiuopiamos naudos arba akivaizdžios progos atakuoti žalgiriečiai nesusikūrė, bet Evansas verčiasi baudos aikštelę ir pelno dar 2 Kauno Žalgirio taškus.
Goes to 12 points, the fourth playing the double figures for Olympiakos. Evans, and against the change of pace, it's the same thing.
Evansas toliau sėkmingai ginasi aikštės šeimininkai.
5 sekundės atakai labai sudėtingas. Gina nuo Evansą.
Riders making space, didn't want to shoot it. Back into the hands of Evans, deep three from Evans. Streaks it! Oh, by Evans! Keenan Evans! Knocks down a timely three! Screen, I think. Evans. Good contest, but
Evansas prieš Jevina Delorėje. Raginamas žaisti vienam.
Smith will collect, and there's some rumblings of discontent being heard around La Fonteta as back. Defense toughening right up here. No coincidence that Kyle Hines is on the floor as that's happened. He'll have to take it on here, Evans. Oh, come on! You got to...
Dabar jie priekyje 14 taškų skirtumų sužaidus pusantros minutės ketvirtajame kėlinuke. Evansas po driblingo permos.
Schmidt steps to screen. Evans into a crowd, goes glass. A wonderfully delicate score from Keenan. Still, double-digit deficit being faced by Fenner. Keenan Evans for 3. Oh my goodness!
Side, they'll slow it down with plenty of time on the shot clock. Keenan Evans will go to work again, always backs his own ability down the...
Where can he go? The clock is ticking. Can't take it on from there, surely. Oh yes, he can! And
50% from three-point territory on their 10 three-point field goal attempts for the game. Keenan Evans driving, rotating with Chris Jones, but exploiting the mismatch.
Here goes Evans, ghosting his way through, and that's what they like to see in the... clock is ticking here. Evans is going to have to take this himself. Gets it off, and yeah, that's...
Žalgiris Samsung Odyssey pristato šį susitikimą.
Keenanas Evansas.
Back to Evans. They need some sparkle from their big star shooter. Evans goes for it and gets it. They needed him.
Panevėžiečiai neleido Baldvinas Menekui atakuoti iš toli.
Keenanas Evansas. 2 taškų
Back Evans. English shuts him down. Or does he? Yes, brilliant again from Keenan Evans.
Tendencijos tarsi Nazar Trulonga turėtų keisti, aišku, yra galimybė, kad ir Keenaną Evansą, kuris dabar...
Keenanas prieš Keenaną Evansą šį kartą Martynas Poliukėnas, dabar keičiasi gynyboje M-Basket Delamode, metimus iš toli ir pataiko.
Immediately covers him. Where can he go? Can't get a shot away, surely. Oh, that's ridiculous! How does Keenan Evans do that?
Paliekamas vienas prieš Ulianską, stringa Evansas. Vis dėlto prasiverčia ir pelno taškus. Delorėje vėluoja.
Įmetami, žargonų kalbant, lempiniai tritaškiai. Evansas iki galo, +1. Ir Keenano Evansas.
So Keenan Evans one-on-one with Goodrich. Oh my goodness, that is a big...
Tau galimybių, dabar vieną iš jų išnaudoja. Keenanas Evansas, tai yra jau Žalgirio komandos lyderis, bet kaip? Keenanas...
Šventvagiškas pataikymo procentas, neretam aukštaūgiui toks baudų metimų pataikymas būtų jau siekiamybė, o čia dvitaškiai.
For the rhythm, chemistry. We're going to see a lot of one-on-one action as...
Campazzo would have had a layup if Madrid could have come up with the ball. 5 on the clock. Evans to the hoop. Beautifully done by Keenan Evans. Get by
14 the lead again. Evans penetrates the paint and picks up the points. Keenan Evans.
Vienas. Per jau beveik 5 sužaistas minutės. Evansas sprendžia reikalus.
Protamasis pirmas žingsnis.
Tada aikštėje viskas krenta, įtmėtant akmenuką į vandenyną. Dar kartą Evansas.
Dar kartą pirmas žingsnis.
On that lead change graphic, because there have been no lead changes. It's Keenan Evans with the quickness.
Evansas palieka liniją, palieka savo už nugaros Brandon Tatum.